Hey, so you've made it to the end of the iOS take-home test course. Congratulations. So we covered a lot of important topics as you can see on the screen here. So you can see that we actually covered all the topics that you would need to get started with a take-home test if you ever given one after, applying for a job. So hopefully this helped you out. So if you enjoyed this series, SwiftUI iOS take-home test course, there's actually a way for you to actually to show support and actually, help me out for free. And that's simply just by sharing this, course. So sharing it with your friends or anyone you know who might be interested or want to learn how to tackle a take-home test in SwiftUI. You can also like the videos as well to, help support the channel, as well as comment on them and also subscribe to the channel as well as hit the notification bell as well. Now, if you do want to, donate some monetary value, I really appreciate it and I thank you because all of this is free and it does take up a lot of my time. You can simply just buy me a coffee on coffee.com. And also as well, YouTube has recently added the super thanks feature as well, which you can see on the toolbar at the bottom here. So again, I want to say thank you for all your support in terms of supporting me with this channel. I hope you enjoyed this free course, and just to let you know, this isn't going to be the last one just yet. I do have a few more courses. So if you're interested, then make sure you follow me on Twitter and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, that's everything. I'll catch you on a bit. Deuces.